Hi, my name's Delyth Hughes. I'm the professional lead for radiography here at Bangor University. Bangor University's got a very long history of delivering excellent radiography education. We are based on the Wrexham campus of the university, and we do have links with all three local hospitals and some further afield in Chester, Stoke and Aberystwyth, as well as the three in North Wales. The course was completely redesigned in 2020. It's been approved by the HCPC and by the College of Radiographers. It includes things like digital imaging, artificial intelligence, health informatics, administration of drugs, commenting on images. We have excellent teaching facilities. We have desktop simulation software, we've got a fully working digital X-ray room, and we do have some immersive virtual reality equipment as well. As I'm sure you've already heard, NHS Wales bursaries are available for students that cover all your fees and give you a maintenance element. They are conditional on you committing to work for 2 years in Wales, and they are available for radiography students. So what will you study in diagnostic radiography? In each year, there are 3 radiography modules and 1 interprofessional module. Across the 3 years, you will learn about anatomy, physics, physiology, sociology, research, imaging practice, obviously. How do I X-ray somebody? Why do I X-ray somebody? Leadership, management and coaching, amongst many other things. How will you learn? We have a range of different ways of delivering teaching here at Bangor. So we will have online tutorials, we'll have in-person tutorials, we have practical hands-on session in the fully working X-ray room, we have sessions in the computer library with the desktop simulation, and we, as I said, we also have the immersive virtual reality with the headset and the hand controllers, and we were one of the first universities, we were the first university in the UK to get that. A big part of training to be a radiographer is placement. So over 3 years, you will complete 64 weeks of clinical placement, which is a lot. Your university and clinical blocks will both be around 7 weeks. Apart from in the first year, you have an extended university block. So before Christmas, you're in university and then you go out on placements. And we do it that way so that you get a much longer clinical placement, which enables you to settle in and be able to find your feet and get going much quicker. You also can have a 2-week elective block straight after your exams in the second year, where you can arrange to go to a department in a hospital that you're interested in. So that might be a paediatric department or a cardiothoracic unit or any other sort of department that you're interested in. All of our placement sites have got very modern equipment. They give you the full spectrum of experience that you'll need. And as I said, it's 3 BCUHB, which are the North Wales hospitals in Wrexham, Rhyl and Bangor, Aberystwyth, Stoke and Chester. So is radiography for you? To be a radiographer, you need to have a very highly developed interest in science. So physics, biology, anatomy, it's a massive part of the course. But you need to also have that combined with the ability to develop empathy for people. You will be dealing with people who are sometimes at a very, very fragile state. They're waiting for bad news. They're very worried. They're very anxious. So you need to have excellent communication skills. You can't be afraid of hard work. You must be a good team player, and you need to be emotionally and physically resilient. And that's really just a very quick introduction to diagnostic radiography at Bangor University. And hopefully we will see some of you here at the university in 2022, starting your career as a radiographer. Thank you very much.